Listen, the fact is, everybody nowadays needs a side hustle. You might be in school, you might have a job, or maybe you just want to earn a little bit of extra money on the side so you can pay some bills or buy yourself something nice like a Supreme Oreo. And I know there's a lot of videos out there where people are showing you all this spammy stuff and online surveys and all this garbage, but in this video, we're not going to be talking about any of that. Every strategy that we show in this video is tried and true. I've done it myself, I've tested it, I've earned money doing it, and those are the only options that we are going to be going over, which are options that do one thing. They make you cold, hard cash. So if you're new here, do me one quick favor and tap the like button. It takes 2 seconds, but it actually helps me a lot. Continue to make completely free content like this so that you can actually get your side hustle on. And if you haven't already, make sure you tap the subscribe button, turn on notification bells so that you will be the first person to know every time we drop a brand new video just like this one. So without further ado, let's actually jump into it and start off with side hustle number 12. Number 12 is a service called Rent a Friend. And yes, this is actually a real service, and yes, you can actually make money doing it. So what Rent a Friend is it allows you to literally rent a friend in a new city to show you around, show you the sights. People often use this when they're traveling and they want to see the best parts of a city from somebody who actually lives there. A lot of people on Rent a Friend speak multiple languages. You can actually, hire a friend or be the friend who is hired to teach somebody a new language or to show them around town. And while this might sound kind of strange, well, honestly, it is a little strange, but it's an awesome way that you can actually make some money on the side just to do basic friendship things. And when you compare it to Rent a Cuddler, which allows you to rent someone to cuddle with, all of a sudden, Rent a Friend seems like a lot better of an option. Number 11 is called Amazon Flex. Now, Amazon Flex basically allows you to become a delivery driver for Amazon. The cool thing about Amazon Flex is you can put in your own schedule and work as little or as much as you like. And you can basically think about Amazon Flex like Uber, except for Amazon packages rather than people. And don't worry, no, you don't need some massive van or anything like that to drive for Amazon Flex. All you need is a 4-door sedan or basically just a normal car, and you can actually pick up and drop off packages, easy as that, and get paid by Amazon to do it. Number 10 is a food delivery app driver. Now, unless you've been hiding under a rock in a cave for the past few years, you've probably heard about companies like DoorDash, Postmates, Uber Eats that actually deliver food from restaurants straight to your door. Now, those delivery drivers are just everyday people just like you and me who decided to sign up to become a driver for services like Uber Eats and Postmates and DoorDash. Now, I myself use DoorDash almost every day because I love the convenience of having somebody bring food all the way to my door, and they get paid a base rate plus actual tips. And so if you get good tips, you can make good money just to drive around and drop off food at people's houses. Number 9 is called TaskRabbit. Now, TaskRabbit is a really awesome service that I myself have actually used in the past. I hired somebody off TaskRabbit to help me actually move stuff out of my house into a moving van because I was actually moving cities. Now, TaskRabbit actually has a lot of different services. There's maid services, there's cleaning, there's installing IKEA furniture, mounting TVs, anything that you can literally do with basic tools. People are willing to pay for it because most people don't like doing that stuff on their own. And the cool thing about TaskRabbit is you can make your own schedule, you can offer whatever skills you actually have, and you don't really need any experience to start, right? Because what experience do you need to move a couch from point A to point B? As long as you can physically lift it, that's pretty much all you need. Number 8 is high ticket dropshipping. Now, dropshipping has changed a lot, but it still works in a variety of different ways. And one of my favorite ways to actually do dropshipping is setting up basic one product stores and actually going after products that are significantly more expensive than what most people do, because most people go out and they sell a cat necklace they found on AliExpress that costs $2 and they try to sell it for $9. Instead, what myself and my students are doing now is we'll go out and sell an electric fireplace for $399, and we'll do it using the Google Shopping Network rather than what most people are doing, which is Facebook ads. Number 7 is charging Bird and Lime scooters. So if you live in a big city in the USA, you've probably seen Bird or Lime scooters. They're the electric scooter companies where you can scoot around and get from point A to point B. They're pretty fun, and a lot of larger cities have them, and they're coming to more and more cities every single day. But what a lot of people don't know is you can actually go and collect those scooters, bring them to your house, charge them overnight, and put them back out for people to use, and you can get paid pretty well to actually do it. And the cool thing about Bird and Lime scooters is you can oftentimes go and actually collect these scooters at night after you've already done some other side hustles during the day. Number 6 is good old-fashioned hard work, doing car washes, window washes, lawn mowing, all types of services that pretty much every household across the United States needs. And to be able to do this, all you need is your 2 good hands and a solid work ethic. Now, when I was 16 years old, I did a lot of landscaping. I did a lot of manual work, car washes, window washes, all types of things to actually start making some money that I could reinvest into more scalable entrepreneurial ventures. And to be able to actually get clients, all you have to do is look in local Facebook groups, post a job on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, and people will contact you to actually have you come and mow their lawn or do their yard work or landscaping or any number of other manual tasks. Number 5 is garage sale and estate sale flipping. Now, what this means is you actually go around your neighborhood and look for something called an estate sale. Now, there's usually a way to actually figure out what type of estate sales are happening, but what this basically means is people are actually selling off things from their estate, generally for a significant discount from what the product or item is actually worth, just because they're trying to get rid of it. And so what you can do is go to garage sales or go to estate sales and find high value products like appliances or furniture or things that you know you can resell for a significant markup. You can buy those things or sometimes even get those things for free and then resell them on apps like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and Letgo. Number 4 is renting out your car on a service called Turo. Now, Turo you can think about basically as the Airbnb for cars. And so if you have a car and you don't always use it, or it's just sitting in the garage, why not make some money from it and rent it out on Turo? Now, Turo has a very good insurance policy, so if anything ever happens to your car, they say that you're covered. And so if you don't often use your car or you have an extra car and you want to start actually making some money, you don't even have to do anything for this particular side hustle. All you have to do is register on Turo.com and list your car, and your side hustle basically works on its own. Number 3 is customer support chat. Now, every entrepreneur and every business out there needs customer service. They need to be able to interact with their customers. They need to be able to help their customers with problems or questions that they might have. And as companies grow, they need more and more customer support. There's all types of software companies, physical companies, entrepreneurs, digital courses, so many different businesses that need people like you to actually help with their customer support tickets, emails, chats. And there's even larger companies like Amazon and Apple. A lot of people didn't know that you can actually apply to be a chat support representative for large companies like Apple as well. And as long as you learn quickly and you're able to respond quickly via chat, you can earn pretty good money to actually just work from home and answer basic chat tickets. Number 2 is taking advantage of your environment. If you live near a stadium or near some big public event, what you can do is you can actually go and buy water bottles for like 10 cents each from a place like Costco or Walmart, and you can go sell those water bottles for $1 each or even more out of a cooler, and you can make a significant amount of money literally for doing almost no work, just buying waters for very cheap, selling them individually for more expensive outside of a stadium or somewhere that people might actually want them. And the number 1 best side hustle to start making some money right now in 2020, we will get to in a second, but make sure if you haven't already, you tap the like button, subscribe, and if you want to be our next giveaway winner, we're actually giving away 100 free courses to the next 100 people who are watching this video right now who go and leave my new podcast a 5-star review and DM me proof on my Instagram at Kevin David, because our podcast actually just broke the top 25 business podcasts in the world, and I was super excited about that. And so I want to make sure that more people just like you who want to find the best business podcast, who want to actually learn about the best ways to make money, are actually finding that podcast and hearing all the amazing guests that we're putting on it. So if you want to be our next giveaway winner of a completely free course, normally valued at $1,000, all you have to do is just go leave a quick review on iTunes and DM me on Instagram a quick screenshot, and you will get a 100% free course that's normally sold for $997. And so without further ado, the number 1 best side hustle is writing. Now, there's a lot of websites out there like iWriter and TextBroker where you can actually write content for blogs and people who actually need that content written. There's all these businesses out there that need to generate content to keep their websites relevant on Google and for SEO purposes. And if you like writing, or even if you don't like writing but just want to actually earn some extra money with the side hustle, then writing content about basic stuff is actually very valuable for people. And websites like iWriter and TextBroker are willing to pay you pretty well to actually do it. And the better that you get at it and the more quality content that you write, especially about high value topics like business and finances, you can actually start to earn more money doing that. And eventually you'll find better and better clients until you can actually really start to earn a full full-time income with this side hustle. And so do me a favor, guys, and comment down below side hustle on this video. And if we get 500 people who comment side hustle on this video, then I'll actually drop a completely free course on one of our next videos. So comment down below side hustle, and we actually have an awesome playlist of the absolute best ways to make money online in a playlist coming to you live in 3, 2, 1. See you there.